Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel N.P. Detailing. I'm at home today, not at the unit. I've not done a few cars, to be honest. I've been chilling out with all this COVID stuff going on. So but what I have done is part X my old 7-seater Mitsubishi high mileage car for a new car. When I say new, it's new to me, and let me show you what it is. I am going to be doing some detailing on it and putting ceramic coating, just making it look good. It is an older car, so it's got some defects on it, but I'm going to try and make it look the best as it can, because that's what I do. So let's check it out. Okay guys, that's right, I have bought myself and the family a 2008 BMW E61 530 diesel. As you can see, it's a big old unit, 7-seater. I had to sort of get rid of it because it is high mileage, 151,000 on the clock. Had a few issues, but I managed to sort quite a few of them and then just get rid. I didn't get much money for it, but I part X'd it in for this, and it's running very nicely. Only 99,000 on the clock, which is quite low mileage for a car this age. And what I'm going to be doing today is the engine bay. I mean, as you can see, I hate engine bays that look like this. I'm just going to be sprucing it up a little bit. I've already taken off the pollen filter housing, giving it a clean behind, underneath and everything, so that's all clean, so I'll put them back. So now I'm just going to do the whole engine bay and go over it with a little spray of water, very slightly, because obviously engine bays don't like water and you don't want to saturate water in an engine bay because of all the sensors and connectors and everything. But I will be blowing it out with my hot air blower, so it will eliminate all the water, make it completely dry, and put a dressing on it. So yeah, if anyone wants an engine bay doing, give me a shout. Email npdetailing@gmail.com, and also check out the other videos and have a look. So as you can see, it is pretty dirty. Previous keepers, it's got 4 owners. Previous keepers haven't really looked after the engine. It's company probably owned. It's been serviced, full service history, mostly by BMW up until 2016. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to get rid of the swirl flaps, a few other things that I'm going to do to it. Engine, I've already given it a carbon clean, and that's made a massive difference on the power of the engine and smooth running of the engine. So I'm going to change the gearbox oil because it's every 100,000 miles. I believe it's due on this, so I'm going to put in the ZF BMW auto transmission oil. I won't do that myself. I'll get my boy down in D-Man Motors to do it at some stage. So yeah, so I'm just going to give this a good clean up. Let me just take you around the car so you see the engine. Bodywork wise, it's got a few swirl marks on it, a few light scratches here and there, but overall for 2008 it's not too bad, you know. The bonnet has had a respray at some point, but I'm going to see if I can spruce up the bonnet, get rid of swirls, and give it a good old once over, and the ceramic coating. So the roof has got a few scratches. There's some scratches over here where someone's got rid of some bird poo and scratched the paint. A few scratches here. Alloy wheels, they definitely need a refurb. You can see the paint coming off there, so whoever's had it previously has had taken it to the hand car wash. They've put acid on the wheels. You can tell by the wheel nuts as well, all rusted up, so they'll be need changing soon. Rear bumper, it's got a few scratches here where rings and stuff have been used, but overall for 2008 it's not too bad. I mean, the gloss on it now is okay, but I'm going to make it a lot better than this, and you'll see a nice deep blue come out of the paint, and it should be all nice and clean and corrected and protected. That's the main thing. Front bumper, a few little bits of stone chips here and there, but nothing major. A few scratches, there are a few scuffs. I might just get the front bumper sprayed by my mate down there in Dent.Alerts in Leicester. Big shout to him. Go and check his channel out as well, Dent.Alerts. He's really good at what he does, spray jobs, smart repair. He does everything really, accident repair, everything. So go and check his page out, Dent.Alerts. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe to my page, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, you know, add some comments, what kind of stuff you want to see. So yeah, so instead of talking, I'm going to start cleaning this engine bay. So it's been about an hour later. I thought I'd give the headlights a bit of a polish up because they were a bit cloudy. Plastics on the lenses, they're nice and clear as best as I can get them. And as I was doing the engine, might as well check that out. All the grime is gone. It's a lot more cleaner than it was, fresher. Let's see how long that stays like that. So all I did, simple, very fine spray of water, just quickly, and using a degreaser and a brush, work it in, rinse off with a fine spray, and then blow dry with heat, hot air, and put the dressing on, and that is it. So I'll be doing a few more videos on this car as it is mine, so I thought I'd do like ceramic paint correction, interior, and we'll go from there. So you'll be seeing plenty of videos on this car as it's my little project to get it looking as good as new, as best as I can get it. So there you have my 530 diesel 2008 E61 BMW. I've showed you around the vehicle and cleaned the engine bay, give the headlights a bit of a spruce up because they're a little bit cloudy. Wet and dry, machine polish, look a lot clearer. So when those xenon lights come on now, you should be able to get a lot nicer, brighter light out there. So don't forget, please do hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, add some comments below, and I got a few shout outs as well actually. Big shout to Param, Arif and Jamin, who are friends of my lads in Woodland Range. So big shout to them, they watch my videos, they like what I do, so big shout to you guys, and catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching guys.